How to disable Discord account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Discord. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right to navigate to the profile page right here. Now, once you are here, click on account and then scroll all the way down to the account management section. And from there, click on disable account. And once you do that, you will get this pop-up window that asks you to enter your password. So once you have entered your password, just click on OK and your account will be disabled. It's that easy and simple. Keep in mind that if you have any servers or stuff that you manage and run, you need to transfer the ownership of them before you can or before you will be able to disable your account. So I hope that this been helpful. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable your account on Discord. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.